This question belongs to algorithm subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2013. So the question states, what is the time complexity of Bellman-Ford single source shortest path algorithm on a complete graph of n vertices? So what is Bellman-Ford used for? So if we have a graph like this, and if we need to find, let us suppose let us take any source. If we need to find single source shortest path, which means from this source, if we need to find the shortest path to this vertex v1 as well as to v2 to v3 to v4 and to v5, each edge will have some weight. So if we need to find the shortest path, then we will use Bellman-Ford. So here we will perform the relaxation e number of times. So the standard complexity is order of v into e, where v is number of vertices, e is the number of edges. Okay, but for a complete graph, so if we have a complete graph, let us suppose k4 like this, then what are the number of vertices? So number of vertices equals to what are number of edges? Let us assume that number of vertices are n. The number of edges are n into n minus 1 by 2. So here if number of vertices are n, if number of vertices are n, the number of edges are n into n minus 1 by 2. So this comes out to be, this is n square into n, this comes out to be order of n cube. So answer to this question is option C. You can say theta of n cube, big O as well as omega all you can say. So theta of n cube is the answer.